Here we go. We have a question: construct binary tree from preorder and postorder traversal. We have given two arrays, preorder and postorder, where preorder is the preorder traversal and contains distinct values, and postorder contains postorder traversal in the same tree. We need to reconstruct the binary tree. If there are multiple answers, you can return any of them. So we have given this pre-order, we have given this post order, and we need to construct this binary tree. So this is the binary tree, and the output, the return type is the node itself. So this is the output for this, and in this the output is this. So this question is pretty straightforward. Now let's try to build the approach, how we can approach this question. So first thing to notice here is we cannot construct a unique binary tree, unique tree. We cannot construct a unique tree using pre-order and post-order. There are multiple answers possible. Suppose this is a tree, and in this its pre-order traversal is 1 2 3. You can calculate it, and its post-order traversal is 3 to 1. So 1 2 3 and 3 to 1. In this tree, the pre-order is 1 2 3 and post-order is 3 to 1. In this tree, the pre-order is 1 2 3, post-order is 3 to 1. And in this tree, pre-order is 1 2 3, post-order is 3 to 1. So if we have this test case, and there are other test case also, so for one test case there can be multiple trees, so we cannot construct a unique tree. There must be multiple answers possible. So now let's take the input example first, then we will build the approach. So I have taken the input test case. Now let's try to build the approach. So first of all, the first node is 1. So first node is 1. So we will create 1. So we have used this node. Is it equal to this? No. Okay. Then what is first of all, what is pre-order? Pre-order is node left then right, and post order is left right then node. So we have used this node, and it is not equal to this node. So this next thing is left, is going left. So we are going left, we are using this node. So we go left. Is it 2 equal to this node? No. No. Then we go again left. So we have implemented this. Now is it equal to this? Yes, this is equal to this. Means we have reached the ending node. So left right, so its left right is null. Then we have reached the node. So we have reached the node. So this is the node, this is the ending node. Then its left and right is null. We know for sure, because this is node, and its left right, if there is any left right of 4, then it will be there before 4, but it is not the case. Then we have used 4, then the next node is 5. So we have used 4, its left right is null. So we will go back and try to insert on the other side, because for node we have used node, we have traversed its left side. Now it's time to go on the right side. So we are going the right side. The next node is 5. So we have used 5. Is 5 equal to our next node? Yes. So 5 we have also used. Next we will go back. So for 2 we have used everything for 2. Next we will return back for 1. The next node is 3. Yes, 2 is already found. 2 is also equal. So we are returning back. The next node is 3. So we will use 3. Is it equal to 3? No. Then move to left side. Okay, we have moved to left side. Is it equal to 6? Yes. So we have used this node also. Then we are going back. The next node is 7. So we will use 7. Is 7 used? Yes. Then we are returning back. The next node is 3. So 3 is already used. So we have found 3 also. So then we are going back. So 3, and 1 is also used. So this is the output. So that's how this will work. Now let's take a complex example. So I have taken this example. First, I built this tree. Then I found its pre-order. I found its post-order. Then using this pre-order and post-order, we need to reconstruct this tree. So how are we gonna reconstruct this tree? So first of all, let me cut and side it. Then we are implementing it. So what is pre-order? It is pre-order means node, left, right. Post-order means left, right, then node. So we are on to a node. This is our root node. Then this is not equal to, this is not equal to post first. No, post zeroth. No, it is not equal. So then we will create next node. Okay. Then we have 1. So we will create a node. Then we have 2. Okay. Then we have 3. We have already used 3. So 3 is already used. Then we are going back. Okay. I think yeah, we are on to 1. We are on to 2. Yes, we are on to 2. 2 is not equal. Then we will use the next node. Next node is 3. 3. Now 3 is equal. So we need to go back. Now node, it is also equal to node. So what it means? Left, right, then node. Left, right is already traversed. So then we are on to a node. So node is also visited. We are on to a node and node is visited. So then we are going back. So we are going back. Then we are on to this node. So 3 is visited. Next node is 5. Is 5 visited? No. So what we have? Till 2 it is visited. Next node is 5. So we are till 2. Okay. So next node is 5. So we have built 5. It is equal to 5. Then we are going back. It is equal to 1. So then we are going back. It is equal to 9. So then again we are going back. Then the next node is 4. Okay, let's build 4. Next node is 6. Okay, let's build 6. Next node is 10. So let's build 10. And now 10 is equal. It means 10 left, right is already visited. Now 10th node is also visited. So 10th node is also visited. So we are going back from 10. The next node is 8. So 8 and 8 is already visited. So then we are going back. Then we are 6. Then we are on to 6. So 6 is already visited. Go back from 6. Then 4. 4 is also visited. Go back from 4. Then 7. 7 is also visited. Go back from 7. So this is our tree. So using this tree, let's find its pre-order and post-order. It's pre-order. So first pre-order. Pre means left, node, then right. So let's verify it. If we have built, so let's verify it. If we have built a correct tree or not. So node, so 7 is there. So no, what is pre-order? Pre-order means node, then left, right. It is node, left, right. So first of all, node. Okay, then left, node. Okay, left, node. Okay, left, node. Okay, left, node. Okay, left, no, right, no, it's right. Then it's right. It's right is 5. Node, left, right. Okay, right, node, left, node, left, node, left, right. Okay, so pre-order is verified. Now let's verify the post order also. So post order means left, right, then node. So left, right, then node. So 3. right, no, node, then right, yes, okay, so right, then node, node, then right, left, right, node, okay, node, okay, right, node, okay, right, left, 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 right, node, right, left, no, left, right, node, node 6, right, node 7, then node 4, 7. So left and right. So it is verified also. So for this test case there can be multiple answer. This is one of them, and if there are multiple answer we can return any of them. So that's how this approach will work. Let's code this. So we need to create a pre-order, but we also need two things: pre-index and post-index. Initially it is equal to 0, post is also equal to 0. Next, just pre-order and post-order, tree node, pre-order and post-order. Then we need to create pre node, new tree node. Then in the pre-order create pre and just go to the next node. While if node value node value not equal to post value, means we have not traversed its left side. So in the post order the criteria is left, right and node. So node is not already visited. We first have to go to left. We first have to finish the left side, then we have to finish the right side, then only node will be there. First finish the left side on the post order, then finish the right side on the post order, then and then only post order value will be same to pre-order value. So it is not same. We first have to finish the left side. Okay, so its left side will be build pre-order and post-order, and pre plus plus means we are on to the next node, we are on to the next node, we are on to the next node. Then again it is not equal to post-order, then we need to first finish the right side. Then only it will be there. So if pre and post node equal, then we have to find the next post. That's it. Node, and I hope it will work. Yes, let's submit it. Yes, and 100% beat. Then this solution will work fine. Then let's talk about time and space complexity. So what we have a solve function, and inside this we have pre-order and post-order, and we have global pre-index and post-index. So the time complexity is order of n obviously, and space complexity is order of 1. We are not utilizing any space, but if you want to consider if text space, it will be order of height of the tree. And in the worst case, height can go to order of n, means the number of nodes, if this is a skewed binary tree. And that's it. Then that's it. I hope you have learned something new. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching this video.